Welcome to the first day of Creatober 2023. The first word of the challenge is the word flight. I went with an A3 poster about an abstract Y2K styled flying machine. I used the technique that I also discussed in my metal heart tutorial, but I combined a symmetry option with it to ensure that it looked like an actual airplane or something. I wanted to add some funky bubbles in the composition because you can see this on a lot of trance CDs, which are also from the same era. I also wanted to do some custom typography, but I didn't really feel this, which is why I quit that idea and customized the font that I used. Finally, I played around with some layer styles for the title, went with some extra overlays from my asset packs, and I added some text in the corner. I finished the poster off with some extra glows and grain, and there's that. So if you want to get the project file from this video, you can become a Patreon member. All of the 31 project files from Creatober will be available for the inner core members on my Patreon channel. So that means that you can get the PSD files, Illustrator files, Cinema 4D files, anything that I use in that project.